Welcome everybody. Hey, this morning I'm going to be covering 20 Chuck Norris Woodworking Facts. Yes, we're going to have a little bit of fun this morning, but we're also going to remember and honor the man and the legend Chuck Norris. So here we go. Starting with number one. The only time Chuck Norris was ever wrong was when he thought he had measured a board twice. Number two. Not once, but 2 times, Chuck Norris accidentally made perfect dovetail joints. Number 3, Chuck Norris once hit his thumb with a hammer. The hammer was sore for 6 weeks. Number 4, Chuck Norris doesn't use any woodworking plans. He is the plan. Number 5, Chuck Norris's table saw worries about Chuck Norris kickback. Number 6, when Chuck Norris made his first cutting board, it was the first cutting board. Number 7, you may not know this one, the compound miter saw was originally designed after Chuck Norris's karate chop. The drill press was inspired by his spinning back kick. Number 8, Chuck Norris doesn't need any honing stones or grinders. He has his chin. Number 9, one day Chuck Norris was handling a piece of wood and the wood got a Chuck Norris splinter. Number 10, Chuck Norris never puts his tools away. He tells his wife to do it and she does it every time. Number 11, Chuck Norris can break down a wood pallet with one roundhouse kick. Number 12, Chuck Norris makes his tools wear safety glasses. Number 13, only Chuck Norris can glue a piece of wood together in 5 minutes using 60-minute epoxy. Chuck Norris, number 14, Chuck Norris built the house his grandparents were born in. Number 15, Chuck Norris buys all his brand name tools from Harbor Freight. Number 16, Chuck Norris did put Humpty Dumpty back together again, and it only took one board and a little bit of glue. Number 17, it was Chuck Norris who chopped down the cherry tree. He forced Washington to lie about it, and then he built a picnic table with the wood. Number 18, how much wood could Chuck Norris chuck if Chuck could chuck wood? Answer, he says there is no if about it. And how do you think we got the Great Plains? Number 19, Chuck Norris only ever owned one woodworking clamp. And number 20, forget Jenga ratings. Chuck Norris only uses wood with a Chuck Norris hardness rating. Well, I hope you enjoyed the 20 Chuck Norris Woodworking Facts this morning. Just having a little bit of fun. Maybe some of you that are woodworkers got most of this. Hopefully it brought a little bit of a smile to your face. Stay tuned because we got some more videos and projects coming up. I may be diving back into doing some carving, maybe a little bit of antler carving and some projects coming up. So hey, we'll see you in the next video.